Hey everyone, it's Becky from Starkweather here to bring you another quick tip in our 1 Minute YM series. Something that I hear a lot is that people are tired of seeing the quote unquote location label on the front end of their site and having their members ask what that even means. So let's get that fixed today by diving into your locality settings. So if we go to content settings, and then over here on the left rail, website settings, and then locality settings. This is going to show you all of the available countries in the system for you to choose from. You're going to want to find your home country and click that gear icon next to it. Quick tip, for some countries, it's easier to use Control F on your keyboard and type in the name of that country because you can see that it is displayed in a little bit of a different way rather than saying North Korea or South Korea, it says Korea, South. So that can be helpful. We, however, are going to roll right back up to Canada and click that gear icon next to it. Once we land on this page, you'll see that you have the option to make it preferred. What this is going to do is it's going to auto-select this country for your members and site visitors on the front end, making it easier for them. You can also apply a tax rate for your country, the visibility, and also applying tax to shipping and dues as well. Now, the best part is this is where we can also choose to rename that location label. So for the United States, it is set to be state. For Canada, we usually have folks put province. When you are done designating what your label will be, go ahead and click Save and Continue. Here you'll see that the first time that we come into this country settings for locations, it's going to have, for some of them, preloaded locations. So we're going to go ahead and click Add All 13 Locations. And then click OK. What you'll see is that a list will populate on all the ones that are already preloaded into YM. You can absolutely always click Add a new custom location and add one in, but you can see that these are here already preloaded. This will provide your members not only the already chosen Canada for your for your country, but also all of these provinces for their province. That's it.